Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm be showing you how to upgrade your halogen trunk light bulb instead of your Nissan Maxima to a Auxito, which I'll be using. I'm partnering with Auxito, so you'll be getting 15% off site-wide using promo code Mark Rodriguez at Auxito.com. If you're wondering what one's missing, I just upgraded my glove box to one, so now the trunk's going to get the same treatment. So I'm going to take one out. That's so. But before we change it, let's do a night shot. Alright, that's the halogen. And now for the trunk light, you don't need any tools. So there's like a latch right here. Just push it backwards and pull down. And then that exposes the halogen bulb. Grip it by the sides and pull out. And then now we're going to sit there and install the Auxito. Alright, there you go. Close it. So here's a nighttime shot. That's the Auxito.
Alright, that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.